Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, you got that nice tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera of course. We have mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board with a side view camera and blind spot detection. We do have a nice hood deflector on the front with two tow hooks, license plate bracket with a block heater in there, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior. This turns into your additional 6th seat, 2 USB-Cs, a 12-volt, and 2 cup holders right there. And of course you do have plenty of storage in the door as well, and you can always lift up the seats if you need additional space. Taking a look at the driver's side, now we can see the seats are mostly powered, with this being the only manual part. The same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, parking brake and lights are just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 5.5 kilometers. We do have a nice leather up steering wheel, toggle free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking over here, you got cup holders, nice little phone slot, storage right underneath. This does lift up for your additional 6th seat, and you do get storage underneath as well. Got a nice little storage cubby here with a USB and USB-C, nice little hook, 2 USB-Cs, 12-volt, your drive mounts, rear locking differential with 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, your climate controls with dual climate, storage above with auto stop outside, 360 view of the vehicle, hazards and traction. We got storage right here as well, storage in the glove compartment, and looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have SiriusXM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave app, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, so on and so forth, apps in general, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto compatible, or any apps you have downloaded, settings, and features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE41333, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us the call if interested.